Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good and your family too. Okay, my dears, shall we start our today's class? Our today computer topic is Chapter 5 Fun with Paint. Chapter 5 Fun with Paint. I hope you all know about all the uses of computers, right? So today we are going to learn about how to use paint option on the computer, how we can draw in computer, how we can paint, how we can give color for our picture, for our drawing in computer. That all we are going to see today, okay? So we are going to see about paint, fully about paint. Okay, first starting paint. How, how to open paint option, how to do painting on computer, that only we are going to see. Okay, first you need to click start button on your computer. First you need to click start button on your computer. Next, select all programs and then select accessories, then select paint. See this picture, you can get clear idea. First you have to click start button, then programs, then accessories, then paint. Okay, now you can see paint window. Okay, when you click paint option, the paint window will be like this. Okay, the first thing you can see now, one arrow is there, green arrow, that is paint. Okay, paint button, that is paint button, and this is home tab, and this is drawing area, and the corner area is a ribbon. The paint window has two main parts, one is ribbon and another one is drawing area. Ribbon means it contains the tools you can draw with. That means in ribbon we have some tools to draw our picture. Drawing area is the area where you can draw. Okay. Drawing area is meant by where we are going to draw a picture. Okay, that area is called drawing area. The paint window will be like this in this picture. Okay. Now we are going to see about closing paint. We have seen about starting paint. Now we are going to see about closing paint. To close the paint window or paint program, you need to click paint button first. That time you can see one menu on the screen. Then you have to click exit option on the menu. Okay, then the paint window will be closed. Okay, in this paint program or paint window we have some tools. Okay, by using the tools we can draw our picture, or we can draw, or we can construct anything correctly or neatly. Okay, so we are using some tools in paint window. The first tool is pencil tool, and the next thing is brushes tool. The third thing is line tool. There are many tools in paint that can be used to draw straight and curved lines. Okay, these tools are pencil tool, brushes tool, line tool. Okay, we will learn about each tool separately. Okay, the first one, pencil tool. By saying the name pencil itself, we can understand, right? We'll use pencil to draw a picture on a noteboard or pen, right? But in case of drawing a picture on a computer monitor, we are using this pencil tool. This pencil tool will be looks like a pencil. Okay, what are the uses of pencil tool? To draw both straight lines and curved lines, we are using pencil tool. Okay. Generally, we will use pencil to draw any picture or write something on a paper, right? In computer monitor or in computer, we are using pencil tool to draw both straight lines and curved lines. Okay, let's learn the steps how to use this pencil tool. First, on the Home tab, in the Tools group, click the Pencil tool. Then you have to choose a color. In the Colors group, click Color 1 and then choose a color. Then to select background color, click Color 2 and then choose a color. Then about size. Click the size button and then select a thickness for the line. The final thing is drag the mouse inside the drawing area to draw the lines. Okay. To draw an exactly straight line, press and hold the shift key as you draw the line. Okay. If you hold the shift key and you draw means the exact straight line will be coming. Okay. I'll explain once again about this pencil tool. See in this picture, one arrow mark is there, near to that one pencil shape is there, right? That only pencil tool. Okay, on the Home tab, this is Home tab. In this Home tab, the Tools group, that is Tools group. Okay, click the pencil tool. Okay, from the Tools group, you are clicking the pencil tool. Okay, here after selected the pencil tool, we need to choose a color. Okay, first there will be two color sections. Okay, one is color 1 and then next is color 2. You need to select color 1 for the pencil. Okay, for the pencil color you are choosing color 1 and next color 2 you are choosing for a background color. Okay, and the third thing is you are going to select size. Okay, size of the line or what you are drawing, line, curve, anything if you are drawing, for that we need to select the size of that line. Okay, so we are using this size. Okay, size 2 and then drag your mouse to the drawing area and draw your picture. The next tool is brushes tool. The next tool is brushes tool. What is the use of brushes tool? The brushes tool helps you draw lines and curves that have a different appearance and effect. We are drawing a line or curve by using a pencil tool and then we are creating that line or curve in a different effect. So for that purpose we are using brushes tool. Okay, what are the steps to use this brushes tool? Before that, there are various types of artistic brushes. Okay, from that we can choose what brush type we need. We can choose that. Okay, These all brushes can be used to draw free-form curves and lines. Okay, let's learn the steps. The first thing, click down the arrow under brushes tool. Okay, under the brushes tool you have to click down. Under the brushes tool, an arrow will be there, you have to click there. Then click the artistic brush that you want to use, and then click the size button, then select the thickness of the brush. Okay, in the colors group, click color 1 and choose a color, and then drag your mouse inside the drawing area and you need to draw. Okay, see here, can you see that brushes tool is there, under that one small arrow is there, right? Click that arrow, then some artistic brushes will be visible. Okay, from that you can select your artistic image, what image you want, what type of brush you want, you can select that. After that you can select the color. Okay, you can select the color from the color 1 section, and then select the size of the thickness, size for the thickness, and then drag your mouse and draw your picture. And the third tool is line tool. By saying the name itself you can understand, line tool means to make a line, to draw a line, we will use this line tool, right? Line tool, right? Okay. You can use the line tool to draw a straight line. You can also choose the thickness of the line and its style, okay, from this line tool. Okay, let's learn the steps. First, in the shapes group, click the line tool, okay, and next click the size button and then choose the line size. Third thing, choose the color from the color 1 section. And fourth one, drag the pointer in the drawing area to draw shapes made of lines. Okay, and then you can also change the line styles also. In the shapes group, click outline and then choose a line style. Okay, this line tool is used to draw a straight line. Okay, what are the shapes are there with the straight lines, we can draw by using the line tool. See this picture, this is called line tool. Okay, this line tool is in the shapes group. Okay, that group is called, different shapes are there, right? These are the different shapes, right? In that shape section we are selecting line, and then you have to select the color from color 1 section and size from the size section. If you need more design of line means you select the outline. Below that some options will be coming, from that you can select your preferable color or design. Okay, preferable design of the line. After that you can drag your pointer to the drawing area, then you can draw line. Okay my dears, I hope you all understood today's class. Today what we have learned fully about paint, right? How to start paint window, how to close that paint program, and the third thing we have learned about tools in the paint. What are the tools we have seen? First, pencil tool, brushes tool, third thing, line tool. Okay my dears, to do this practically, you just take your book page number 49 and one section will be there, let's practice. You just practice that section with the help of your parents and let me know your doubts and how you got your output, all the details. Let me know, okay? If you can, you just send me a snapshot your computer after you completed that part, okay? Okay, my dears. Stay home, stay happy, learn your lessons well, do all your works properly, and don't forget to send out snapshots of your homework or your notes. Okay, let's go to the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.